Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership, located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Owning this 2022 Honda HR-V LX in modern steel metallic with 26,000 miles offers a reliable ownership experience. Honda vehicles are known for their durability and longevity. With its relatively low mileage, it suggests a well-maintained vehicle. Powered by a capable engine, it delivers a balanced performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The HR-V LX trim comes with Honda's renowned engineering and build quality, ensuring dependable performance. Honda's reputation for reliability, coupled with regular maintenance, makes this HR-V LX a dependable choice for buyers seeking a durable and trustworthy vehicle. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.